Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I'll show you how to install Windows from USB on this laptop. So to begin, we'll have to prepare a USB driver with Windows ISO image on it. So we'll have to do that probably using another device if the Windows isn't installed on your laptop. So use your other PC or laptop, plug in your USB driver into it, and let's go right there. So right now you can see the screen of my other device. I have the USB device plugged in, as you can see right here. It should be at least 8 GB of memory for you to install the Windows. So right now open the web browser on it and search for the Windows 11 ISO in your browser. Then go to the local website of Microsoft. You should always install ISOs from the Microsoft page. So go right here. I'm gonna translate this page for you. Okay, we don't need an installation assistant. We just want the disk image. So Windows 11 multi-version ISO for x64 devices. And click download now. Then wait for the request to be accepted. Then select the language of the product. In my case, it's gonna be English, United States. Confirm. Then let's wait again. It usually takes a couple of seconds. Okay. So let's verify downloaded files. Oh, I'm sorry. First click right here and wait for the ISO file to be downloaded. But in the meantime, we can open another tab and search for the program using which we're gonna create an ISO for the USB driver. So search for the Rufus, open it. Let me translate it. Okay, yeah, I don't have to. Usually I do. Okay, so once you enter the Rufus website, select this file right here. You might need this one right here, but just first try to download the original version, and if it doesn't want to run on your PC, just click right here and download it for 32 for x86 kinds of operating system. So click right here, then open this file of the Rufus, and this file should automatically detect your device, your USB driver. If you have several USB drivers connected to your PC, you can expand this list and select the one that you're gonna install the Windows onto. And right now let's wait for the Windows image to be downloaded. It says 15 seconds left, so okay. And one thing before we continue, I forgot to mention that it's better if you use a USB 2.0 for the installation process. I'm pretty sure that this PC that I'm using supports 3.0 USBs, but just in case if it doesn't work for you the first time, the best decision to make is to use a USB 2.0 driver. So drive. Okay, and right now what we'll have to do is click select in the Rufus and then open the Windows 11 file, ISO file. Then you don't have to change anything right here, just click start. Then we don't really need any of this checkboxes right here to be checked, so we just can just continue. Click OK. It will format your USB and install the ISO file. It usually takes a while, so let's wait. Okay, and once it's ready, you can close the program and you can basically extract the USB driver from your device. So right now, let's go back to the laptop. So grab your USB drive and plug it into one of the USB sockets in your laptop. Then turn your device on, and once you turn it on, start pressing the escape button immediately to open the boot menu. So just press the power button, then start clicking the escape button for a while until you see the boot menu on your screen. Okay, and right now you can either use F9 button or just scroll down to the boot menu and press enter. You can scroll down using your arrow buttons. Press enter on the boot menu and then select the in my case a generic USB 3.0. So as you can see, this PC supports 3.0 for installing Windows. That's good news for you, I hope. So select the generic USB and press enter, and then wait until your device reboots into the Windows installing installation screen. It usually takes a couple of seconds. Okay, and right now you can navigate here using your touchpad, which is also good news. So using your touchpad, select next button, then select the keyboard or input method and select next again, then choose install Windows PC. Agree that everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings on your PC, and then click next and wait for a while. Then read the license agreement and click accept to continue. Okay, and right now we'll have to free some space for the Windows. So select each partition of your device. Select delete partition for each partition. You basically have to go have to do this for each partition on your device. So just delete partition until there are none left. Okay, and right now we have 238 and a half gigabytes of free space, which is enough for us, and all the other partitions are you don't have to delete them. So make sure that you don't delete the partition with your USB. That's that's very important. Okay, so click select the unallocated space with 200. In my case, well, it's gonna be the biggest basically part of your PC. It's gonna have the biggest largest total size. So select it, click next, and then the installation process will begin. click install, and then wait until your device begins the installation process. Okay, and right now the installation process is complete, so the setup process is started. If you're interested in how to complete the setup process, we have an entire video on our YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.